Alright, time for floor 5. No time to waste on the intro, let's just get to it. Alright, lap 2. Alright. One call does it all. Universe-wide destruction. Making noise till the morning. There we go. Pizza Scare, Lunatic, Lap 5, Piranka's Noise, Checkpoint List. Whew, okay. I was really wanting to get at least this one checkpoint list. Because this one is usually pretty simple. There we go. Again, not much time to waste. Let's go to DMS. Don't make a sound, let's get through it. Alright, here we go. Probably not first try, but we'll see. Yeah, no. Okay, yeah, I didn't think so. Ah, oh, come on, I was spamming grab to use the minigun. Oh, come on! Why am I doing that? Why am I jumping? Just go! Oh, I hate that. Okay, sure, the bullets just whiz past you, I guess, sure. You're immune to the bullets. I get it, I get it. You're immune to bullets. I didn't know the puppet was immune. I didn't know that. Crazy. There we go. Almost through, but we got it. I almost threw big time. Whew. Hmm. 20 minutes, that... Yikes. But again, spent too much time on this, let's just move on to war. Alright, war. Which I'll put the screenshot up, but I was practicing this level, and I did it first try. That's so cool. So, Let's hope I can do it quickly, cause if not, I'm gonna be a little mad. Alright. Time for the laughing. Lap 4. Alright, lap 5. I'm so stupid. Dude, why? I was gonna do that checkpoint list again. Then I'm stupid. So dumb. Really the last hard room, but then I just lose. So nice, man. I love being dumb. Okay, I'm holding right, but alright, sure. Whatever you say goes, I guess, game. Yes. You know what? I'll take a second try. It's better than nothing. War Lunatic Lab 5P rank. I'll take a second try. I'll take it. Even though I did first try and practice, whatever. Less time than DMAS somehow, but whatever. I'm not complaining. Now on to the finale. C top. Dang.
Oh my, why? Oh my.
We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving and
No.
turkey's off the menu.
Oh
No.
no.
Please just go. Oh,
Oh
my.
no. Oh wait.
Why do you keep running that way?
Why do you keep running that way?
I can't have anything. I literally have to just.
I can't.
Do you guys see why we did S rank?
Yeah, imagine P rank. Every
The
time you
S
lose
rank was
combo.
actually on purpose. Oh my. I can't even have water. Even though water wouldn't help that much, I can't have it.
Yep. So in fact, water only like
Water
spreads
is
around the
illegal
spice.
Oh my gosh.
The illegal beverage.
Illegal, but okay. I'm not gonna tab out, but I need to figure something out with the wheel because I don't want to keep overheating on the wheel.
The laptop is taking hot sauce.
Yeah.
Lots of
Why
hot
do we have to get more
A
than
lot
one
more.
level? How many levels do we have left? I can't do
17.
math. So, yeah, I see that, but how many levels
2.
left to play? 2? That's it. Okay. Like 4, bro.
Then what do you mean you
Honestly-
don't know how to math? I just come back and just say, how many left?
I don't-
Shut up.
It's 2 numbers away! How do you not know?
I have a hot sauce burning my
David,
tongue.
please help me here. I know you're dying, but like, please help me. It's a
Yeah, I have to, I know. You know what? Would it be faster to oh no, we can't just die. Because we have to do another punishment. Oh.
The wheel of doom and despair.
Okay.
Imagine the
I don't
wheel
know
of
where-
happiness.
I don't know where
had
people
happy punishments instead.
No.
Yeah, you have
Oh
to take
my
a
God,
5
dude.
minute break.
Oh my god. Wait, please give me
No.
ice cube. Please give me ice cube.
Oh my god, how am I supposed to do this? Okay, I'm just gonna open it quickly, and I'm gonna close it. Wait, please. Don't do that.
Give me ice cube.
I'm just gonna minimize Discord too. 'Cause I need please stop lagging. Alright, spin the wheel, Go, 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 go.
Why are you green?
Go,
Spin the
go,
wheel
go,
to choose
go,
the next
go,
context.
Go. Oh my
Did you get hot sauce again?
hot sauce.
Yes!
It's buffering so bad.
I spilled oh my gosh,
I really don't think I can do hot sauce yet. I actually am about to pass out.
I mean, yeah, you had like this, like the spiciest hot sauce known to man.
The stream is kind of dying.
David, you're about to
Buffering a
overheat.
lot.
David, I think David overheated. Flag.
Something might have. He said something.
What?
but I don't know what.
I saw
David is what?
I wonder if the hot sauce was spilled on the computer. That would be terrible.
That that would not be good.
I said in the VC.
What does
Whoa, he actually is fine.
how does
That's not even
The
a
only thing
lie.
people have spilled is the hot sauce, you know.
The first Michael Jackson, or Michael Jackson, whichever one it was. I
It was Michael
I
Jackson,
can't think.
but he went from black to white. He didn't go from like
So reverse Michael Jackson.
yes
he?
Still
or
like
no.
Jackson.
I might be dumb.
I mean, no, the stream isn't buffering right now. It's just frozen.
Wait, what happened if I got back in? I hit. Oh wait. I'm playing the game. I don't know if it's updating on Steam, but I'm playing the game.
The game is functioning. The stream is functioning now.
David.
But the webcam's frozen. Maybe. His head is also has a big hole in it. It's like the
Roy,
I-
that one, how
I
was
don't know
it
why
called?
this is
That
happening.
one
Like-
character from Elder Bucky.
so like a green screen effect thing, color
There's no
correction.
music. Hold on.
There is no music. I think something happened with the laptop, with AppMod or something. Broke the game. I don't know.
Wait.
Doesn't that
Yeah,
happen
music's on, though.
sometimes in the game? Gets confused and the music is gone.
He's busy now.
Elephant green screen effect. Yes.
Oh my
Oh, fig treats good effect.
Oh my god. I freaking recovered that.
We could recover.
We can recover.
I stole the joke again.
No, you didn't.
Am I back?
David,
Anybody here?
Yes, you're back. Hello.
Hello.
Dude, Max, why did you continue?
Because why not?
Dude, I'm still cleaning up.
Oh, okay, I was unaware that you were cleaning up. What? Did you spill it?
Yes!
Oh.
Put it on something!
He literally said,
Oh my
"Split."
god.
I spit.
I'm not even ready, I didn't even take the hot sauce, dude. I wouldn't count this attempt because I need to restore the music. Don't count this.
Yeah, I'm not.
Hi.
Can you stream even hear me? Can I? Okay,
Yes,
you can't.
I think.
The webcam's so messed up.
Find them too.
Deactivate.
File them too.
Deactivate. I think webcam's like...
The webcam was frozen.
I don't know what I unplugged, I hope it was the webcam.
The webcam is not on the screen.
I know this is not the time to be joking, but I can't like do this webcam. I'm sorry.
I don't know where it even is, actually. It's gone. I don't know where the webcam went.
It was
It
there,
just
it was frozen.
It doesn't...
You might have
act-
unplugged it.
I unplugged it. I wanted to, but it doesn't work.
Ah, seems edge.
It's
Yeah,
not,
probably-
It's not.
Probably best to not use webcam since you're having so many PC issues unless you can get it to work.
It was working earlier
Alt 1,
until
Alt 4.
stuff happened.
Yeah.
Then it froze.
Deactivate. Activate.
We love how we can't take a drink amazing until 15 left.
I've had webcam issues like this before where it just wouldn't appear, and it's really annoying.
I'm doing a little
What
bit
do I
better now.
even do?
I don't know. I have no idea what the fix is. Just tinkering worked. I don't know what I did or how to do it.
But it's nice. Deactivate.
I mean, I can't even do it right now because my webcam is still broken. Except that one time where it worked after like a couple months somehow. Still
So
salty.
I'm gonna plug it in. Those webcams.
Oh, that's theory.
Okay.
It doesn't work.
Do this.
No, it's just a white screen.
Hold on, activate. No. That sucks, dude. Dude, I went to... I don't even know what happened. I just knocked it over on my...
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like... I still have another tab. Well, you know what? Can I just switch it to the integrated?
That would probably look worse, but it'll probably function. If it's built into the laptop.
So, if I do, like, integrated webcam, I should see something. Yeah. And then if I do... Yeah, the rear is just
There is not enough light.
Yeah,
if you no way, it's 5 Nights at Freddy's. He's turning red.
Holy.
Is that
I'm
a
done with
reference
C-Top.
to...
I'm gonna skip the credits. I gotta get to see this. Whew. I actually did it. Floor 5 Lunatic mode done. And I only have 3 more left. But those are for a future time. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, do everything you need to do. And next time will be Tricky Treats. See ya.